The IDC6 is TEXA's newest diagnostic software platform, and it's built with technicians in mind. Vehicles today aren't simple anymore. Between multiple control units, advanced driver assist systems, and manufacturer security locks, a standard scanner just won't cut it. IDC6 is TEXA's answer. It adapts to modern systems, streamlines navigation, and puts reliable repair data in your hands faster than before. One of the first things you'll notice is the redesigned home screen. Instead of clutter, IDC6 gives you a clean, organized layout. Shortcuts are customizable, meaning you can tailor the workspace to how you prefer to move through diagnostics. Navigation menus adapt to your habits, and tooltips give you on-screen guidance, whether that's pointing out an easier menu path, flagging a common service option, or reminding you of a frequently used procedure. It's all about cutting wasted steps and saving you time on the vehicle. Now let's talk about the big leap forward, artificial intelligence. IDC6 introduces an AI Diagnostic Assistant that draws from over 30 years of TEXA's data, error codes, validated vehicle records, technical service bulletins, and thousands of real-world repair solutions. Here's how it works in practice. AI Global Search. Before you even start scanning the car, you can query TEXA's database for known issues with that specific make and model. It brings up common faults, fixes, and relevant service data in a clear, accessible format. This lets you walk into the bay with a head start. AI Intelligent Diagnosis. Once you connect, the system takes over. It automatically identifies the vehicle, confirms the VIN, and runs a full TGS3 control unit scan. From there, it highlights faults and suggests tested repair solutions. Instead of just telling you what's wrong, it guides you step by step from fault code to the most likely fix based on actual repair history. Think of it as having a veteran tech on hand walking you through the job. This isn't just about bells and whistles. It's all about real workflow impact. Faster diagnostics means less time guessing, fewer comebacks, and more time turning wrenches where it matters. And because the system continuously updates, you're always covered on the newest vehicles, modules, and manufacturer requirements. As we all know, more and more manufacturers are requiring authentication to perform resets, coding, or certain service functions. IDC6 is designed with that in mind. It communicates with OEM systems where needed and stays current with security updates automatically. That means you don't have to chase patches or worry if your tool will work on a new platform. It just does. Another smart feature is how IDC6 adapts to you. It tracks your usage patterns and, over time, recommends functions you might be overlooking. Say you don't use a certain reset procedure often, if the system detects a scenario where it would help, it points it out. This reduces the chances of missing something important and helps you build better habits as a tech. At the end of the day, IDC6 isn't just another software update. It's a complete platform built to keep technicians ahead of the curve. With guided troubleshooting, a massive repair database, and AI that actually makes sense in the bay, it reduces downtime, speeds up repairs, and boosts first-time fix rates. That all translates to fewer headaches for you, less wasted shop time, and quicker turnaround for your customers. And in today's industry, that's what sets a good shop apart from the rest. So when you fire up TEXA IDC6, you're not just running diagnostics. You're working smarter, faster, and with the kind of backup that keeps you moving forward. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.